Welcome to my channel. Join me as I dive into the Mi X Series Google QLED TV 2024 and put it to the test. Can I figure out if it's really worth your money? Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the Mi X Series Google QLED TV 2024 to see if it truly lives up to the hype. With so many smart TVs on the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one that balances price, quality, and features. You've got brands like Samsung, LG, and Sony all vying for your attention, each touting their own unique selling points. But how do you cut through the noise and find the one that truly delivers? That's exactly what we're going to find out today with the Mi X Series Google QLED TV. This TV has been generating a lot of buzz, and I'm excited to see if it lives up to the hype. There are some big claims being made about its picture quality, smart capabilities, and overall value. But before we get into all that, let's take a step back and talk about what makes a great TV in the first place. For starters, you've got to have excellent picture quality. That's a given. But beyond that, you've got to consider things like design, features, and overall user experience. These are all critical components that can make or break a TV. Let's take a closer look at the design, features, picture quality, and smart capabilities of the Mi X Series Google QLED TV to see how it stands out. The first thing you'll notice about this TV is its stunning design. The bezels are incredibly slim, giving you an almost edge-to-edge viewing experience. It's sleek, it's modern, and it's sure to be the centerpiece of any room. But it's not just about looks, the TV is also packed with some seriously impressive features. You've got your standard 4K resolution, HDR10+, and a 120Hz refresh rate, which is perfect for fast-paced content like sports and action movies. And let me tell you, the picture quality is absolutely stunning. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are inky, and the overall clarity is exceptional. But what really sets this TV apart is its smart capabilities. You've got Google TV built right in, which gives you access to all your favorite streaming apps, plus some exclusive features like Google Assistant integration and personalized recommendations. The Mi X Series Google QLED TV also comes with a host of other features that are definitely worth mentioning. You've got 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, which is perfect for hooking up your gaming console, Blu-ray player, and other devices. And with the TV's advanced audio capabilities, you can enjoy immersive sound that draws you right into the action. But what really impresses me about this TV is its ability to seamlessly integrate with other smart devices in your home. You can control the TV with your voice using Google Assistant, or use the built-in Chromecast to stream content from your phone or tablet. It's incredibly easy to use, and it really adds to the overall viewing experience. In summary, we've explored the key features and performance of this TV, giving you a clearer idea of its value in today's market. Whether you're a gamer, a movie buff, or just someone who loves to stay entertained, the Mi X Series Google QLED TV 2024 is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more tech reviews and unboxings.